So, we are talking about this question. What is it? It is I don't know, a radio. What are they? They are hamburgers. Hamburgers. I like this because it's easy. What is it? It is. What are they? They are. I like this. But sometimes we need to point to show, because something is far away. And sometimes we want to show that something is right here, with us. So for example, if it is here, right here, I would say, what is it? And then you would say, it is or an. But we can also say, what is this here? And if it's further away, singular, we could then say, hey, what is that over there? What is that? And I'm pointing with my finger to show you a bit further away. But whether or not we ask this or that, the answer is still the same. It is. So, a good question, what is this? A good answer, it is. Good question, what is this? Bad answer, this is. I don't like it. Always use it is, whether it's what is this or what is that. And it's the same with plurals. With plurals, if it is here in my hand, I can say, what are these? Plural. But the answer is still the same. They are hamburgers. Or, if it is far away, like over here, and we need to point over there, I would say, what are those? They are bananas. So, even though the question word is different, the answer is still they are. Okay? These just help with things that are here or over there when we are pointing. Okay?
Okay.
So remember this language here because you will hear it in the world. But this is my favourite. Huh? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? That works. And the language is easier. But remember this language, that language, these words and those words. Okay?